Hello, everyone. My name is Hongmo Yang, Senior Vice President of Manufacturing Industries at Blue Yonder. Today, I'm going to walk you through how Blue Yonder, working with Microsoft Azure, is delivering real business benefits to our customers, leading supply chains. As you are aware, supply chain issues are making headlines, whether it's in Wall Street Journal or Evening News or other media outlets. As business leaders, many of you are facing the impetus and pressure to deliver business outcome, just as some of our customers have recently been able to deliver, ranging from GE Appliances, CNHI, Philip Morris, Tata, and many others. Now at Blue Yonder, we understand how supply chain decisions are impacting the total shareholder returns of revenue growth, cost to serve or margins, cash to serve or working capital that's required. And because our customers are customer-centric, being able to measure customer service level as measured by their customers. On top of that, increasingly, sustainability is another business objective that many of our customers are prioritizing. And we also know that your business is not one of monolithic averages, but that you have multiple streams of business that is represented by base volume, sometimes incremental or promotional volumes, the innovation or new product introductions that you have to manage multiple times a year. And then increasingly important channel is the e-commerce channel. And so the goal that you have to balance is, the supply network decisions related to these streams of business across the operational total shareholder returns of revenue, cost to serve, cash to serve, customer service level, plus sustainability goals that you have to meet or manage to exceed that you have as targets that you've laid out in your business plan. So we at Blue Yonder enable our customers to better manage their supply chains by focusing on industry-specific use cases. These industry-specific use cases are pre-configured workflows that address these processes that you conduct and help facilitate and identify how you're performing against your business plan targets. And if there are gaps, again, facilitating specific sets of decisions and actions in order to meet or exceed your business plan. These sets of industry-specific use cases are enabled through our market-leading, proven, scalable, planning, execution, and commerce services and applications that is powered by Blue Yonder's own Luminate platform. And on top of being able to leverage these out-of-the-box planning, execution, and commerce applications, we also enable you through our Luminate platform to extend the capabilities to the ecosystem of partners who may be looking to deliver additional capabilities, or for customers to develop further proprietary competitive advantaged workflows and capabilities. So now you might ask, well, how does Microsoft Azure come into this picture? Glad you asked that. What you see in the middle is what I just showed in terms of the industry use cases. And that's all leveraging the capabilities and integrates with various capabilities supported by Microsoft Azure infrastructure and capabilities. You can see cloud data, Azure platform and storage, some of the capabilities delivered through Power BI, and so on and so forth. And what this is enabling is to deliver against the promise of Microsoft industry priority scenarios of being able to deliver resilient supply chain, modern workplace, and data/AI and edge computing capabilities. So between the capabilities that we have at Blue Yonder and specific supply chain applications and capabilities, and Microsoft's industry priority scenarios, we're able to enable our customers to be on the leading edge of delivering superb business outcomes for their supply chain. We invite you to contact your Microsoft or Blue Yonder representative and ask for specific discovery sessions and points of view sessions, and also explore some of the free trials that are on our websites. We appreciate the time and look forward to having a much more in-depth discussions to help you win your supply chain challenges and battles. Thank you.